Hey everyone, Tony G here. So, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the forearm. Now, people who tend to work a lot with their hands, we often tend to sometimes have hand pain and or elbow pain. And this can actually be due to some tension through either your flexor mass or your extensor mass. Now, basically, these are the muscles that control flexing and extending. More times than not, our flexor mass tends to be a little bit more hyperactive as compared to our extensor mass because we are a flexion-based society. We're always kind of flexed over, and we're on our phones, just moving our hands a lot. That being said, you want to make sure that you're working on these structures. So keeping that in mind, we're just going to do a nice gentle stretch. Now, when you are doing this stretch, you should not feel numbness, tingling anywhere into your hand. If you do feel that, stop. This could potentially be kind of an impingement of a nerve that you want to be careful of. That being said, once that's cleared, then what you want to do is you want to get into the stretch. And it's very simple, okay? All you're going to do is you're going to take your hand and you're going to extend it backwards, okay? Now you're going to feel the stretch right through here and you're going to hold it, okay? Now typically you can start with your elbow at the side. This is going to be less intense. And we'll do this for 30 seconds. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30, okay? Now, just thinking about that, I actually noticed that my thumb was missing from the equation. Now, it's important to make sure that you are stretching your thumb as well, okay? Now, if for some reason you don't have the flexibility to do this, where you can encompass your whole hand, your thumb included, where you're just kind of putting one hand in front of the other and pressing down, you can do this on the wall. I'll be showing that a little bit later in later on in the video. So we're going to try that again. I'm going to do it from a side angle so you actually have a better view, okay? So what you're going to do, your hands neutral. Now also, while you're doing this, if you're getting sharp pain into your wrist area, stop. You don't necessarily want sharp pain there. The wrist is a very sensitive, delicate area. It's got a lot of different little bones. If you're getting sharp stabbing pain while you're flexing or extending your wrists, flexing or extending your wrists, stop. This isn't necessarily the right thing to do because you could be doing some wrist damage, okay? Things like carpal tunnel or any kind of, let's just say wrist pain. I don't want to get too specific, okay? Anyway, keeping that in mind, let's go back to this now. We're going to do the wrist stretch again from the side. So we're going to include the thumb this time. We're going to close our hand, keeping it right there. We're going to grab, we're going to pull back, and we're going to hold it for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30, okay? So, on my left side, though, I will be showing level 2 because there is a level 2 to this. Let's say you're doing the stretching and you no longer feel it. Then what you can do is you can actually extend your arm, and I'll turn this way for the table to see. Right? We're going to actually have our arm nice and straight. We're going to pull back, and we're going to hold this for 30 seconds. 1, 2. Now remember, you don't want to have your shoulder hiked up. Keep the shoulder nice and relaxed. Arm straight down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, afterwards, spin the wrist out, kind of get the new mobility in there. Feel it out, and we're going to go one more time on the left side, okay? I'm going to pull back and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, and we're gonna relax. Okay, and that, everyone, is the wrist flexor stretch. Thanks for watching. Please, everyone, make sure to hit like and subscribe if this video has helped. Coming up next is the wrist flexor, or the opposite side stretch, okay?